All right, it's exercise time again, and in this exercise, we're going to make some changes to the event attendance management screen. And so what I want you to do here is we have this list of event attendances, but for the event, we just have an ID, and for the user, we just have an ID. And what I want to do is actually put in some helpful information here. So for the event, we don't actually have a name of an event. We just have the place or the location it's going to be, and then we have the date. So we have the date here, but we could do like a name and a short date format, maybe just like 10/28/2017, and that'll be our event kind of title. And then user, for the runner itself, we should have a first name and last name, so let's display those. So one thing I can give you a little bit a head start on, one thing I like to do is just run into the inspector here. Let's go ahead and refresh this, look at network. And if we go down here, we should see RFB event attendance. So we can see that this is the request URL /API/RFB event attendance. And then we have some paging and some sorting here. And then we have a request method of get. So this information alone should help you point you to the right direction in the code, and then you're just going to follow that along until you figure out where you need to make those changes. So there's going to need to be a change on the Java side and what data you're pulling back, because if we look at the data now, we just see an attendance, we see an ID and an ID, so we're going to need to pull back more information, and then you're going to need to update the UI side to make this happen as well. So if this branch is going to be farther down, the master branch is going to be farther down than you are right now. So I've created a new branch called Event Attendance Exercise. If you want to check that out here, there'll be another event attendance exercise complete when this is completed if you want to compare mine to yours. So that's the exercise. Have fun. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Good luck.